What financial key performance indicators should pop-up drink stands monitor? The most important ones to track are daily sales per cup, cost of goods sold, labor cost percentage, and average transaction value, because these four numbers together tell you if your stand is actually making money or just staying busy. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade stand from a cartoon, except now you have real bills to pay. Cost of goods sold means how much you spend on cups, ice, fruit, and syrup for every single drink you sell, and you want that number to stay low compared to your selling price. Labor cost percentage tells you how much of your sales gets eaten up by paying your helpers, and most small stands try to keep that under 30%. Average transaction value is a sneaky one that many owners ignore because it shows whether people are buying just one drink or adding snacks and refills, which is where a lot of hidden profit lives. A trick almost nobody talks about is tracking your sales by the hour instead of just by the day, because pop-up stands often make most of their money in a tiny window of time, like between 2 and 4 in the afternoon. In knowing that helps you staff smarter and stock smarter instead of guessing. One big thing to watch out for is spoilage, since fruit, milk, and syrups go bad fast in heat. And a good tip is to track waste percentage separately so you can see exactly how many dollars are melting away before you even sell a single cup. Another sneaky issue is forgetting to count your own time as a cost, because if you are not paying yourself a fair hourly rate in your calculations, your profit numbers will look better than reality. So always build in an owner's wage before calling anything profit. A third thing many stand owners miss is cash leakage from freebies and mistakes, so keeping a simple tally sheet for every comped or remade drink can save you more money than you would expect over a single weekend. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.